Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up SMS marketing on Shopify with SMS Bump. So this is a step-by-step SMS Bump tutorial. All you'll need to do to install the SMS Bump app is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you're going to tap on Add Apps. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Shopify App Store. Once on the App Store page, I want you to tap on the search bar, and from there you can type in SMS marketing. Then you're going to see the SMS Bump app, and you can see that it is highly rated. So we're going to tap on SMS Bump. Then from there you can scroll down, and if you would like to read more about the app, you can. You can see that they offer a free plan which is free to install, and you can see the message rates start from 0.0165 USD, and you'll be able to send up to 10,000 emails every 30 days for completely free. So not only is this a good app for SMS marketing, but it can also be used for email marketing. So we're going to be tapping on Install App. After selecting Install App, you'll be redirected to this page to complete installation, and you're going to tap on Install once more. After selecting Install, you're going to be redirected to the app dashboard. Once on the app dashboard, from there you can create a sign up information. So for example, you can enter your name and you can also create a password. So you can see right here, I'm being redirected to the app dashboard. So all we need to do is simply scroll down, and then from there you can simply tap on open after you have entered your login information. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page, as you can see here. And all you'll need to do now, once you have entered the necessary information, for example, your phone number, and you have created an account, this is how your dashboard looks, as you can see here. Now to finish setting it up, you can go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you could tap on campaigns. After tapping on campaigns, from here you can scroll down and you can see SMS and email. So for example, you can scroll down and you can see the different email templates that you can use, right? You can also create an SMS campaign by tapping on create SMS campaign from the top right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. Then from here, you can tap on collect subscribers, or you can tap on create campaign. We're going to tap on create campaign. After tapping on create campaign, you can see a preview of how it will look. We're going to enter our campaign name. So let's say, for example, test. Then from here, you can scroll down. And if you would like to choose audience and exclude certain audience, you can do that right there. So let's say, for example, you would like to target only repeat buyers or soft bounce subscribers. You can select that right there. If there's a set of audience that you would like to exclude, you could tap on exclude audiences. After you have done that, you can scroll down. From here, you could type in the message that you would like to share, or you can tap on browse templates. After tapping on browse templates, you can see the different templates that they provide us with. So for example, let's say we are preparing our sale for the holidays. You could tap on holiday events. Then from there, you can see the different templates that you can use. And if it is for a sales event, you could tap on sales. For product launch, you could tap on product launch. For SMS only, you could select SMS only right there, and you can see the different templates. For loyalty, you can also see the different templates right there. So let's say, for example, we were to select product launch, then I was to select this template. You can see right there, and you can see a preview of how it looks. And if you would like to add anything more, you can simply tap in the box and you can start typing. And you can also add emojis by tapping on the emoji icon right there. After you're finished, you'll simply scroll down, and from here you can see you can also schedule it to be sent later by toggling on, and then you can choose the date that you would like to send it and the time, as you can see right there. You can see right here Smart Sending, which provides us with two options. So for example, you can enable Smart Sending, and subscribers who receive a text in the last 8 hours will not receive your campaign. Or if you'd like to disable Smart Sending, you can do that. Then you can see right here, get campaign highlights via SMS. Then you could tap here and you could enter your phone number, and you could tap on review campaign. Once you're finished, you can simply tap on save draft. So let's do that real quick. So now we have a saved draft right there that you can send later on. You can also use it for email marketing. So you can see the different templates that you can use, whether it is bestsellers, new arrival, or weekly newsletter, or coming soon. You can select whichever one of these options best suits you. So for example, if I were to select bestsellers, I could simply hover over it and tap on edit. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you'll be able to select the audience that you would like to use. So you could tap on select audience and select the audience type. Again, you can also exclude audience. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and to edit this template, all you need to do is hover over it, then tap on edit content. After tapping on edit content, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On here, you'll be able to add your own personal touches to this template. So for example, let's say you would like to change the header section. You can simply tap right there. Then from there, you could change the background color if you want, or you could add an image, background image to this section. You can also tap here and you'll be able to change the text if you want. So you can see right here, you can change the text color and so on. And if it is a case that you like to change the image, you could tap on the current image. Then from there, you could select change image and you could upload an image of your liking. After doing that, you can tap on save and continue. So we'll do that in the top right hand corner. So we'll tap on save and continue. So let's do that real quick. Once you have done that, if you'd like to send a test email, you can do that. Once everything has been verified, you can do that. You can also use this platform for various integrations. So if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on integrations, you can see the numerous apps that we can integrate right here. It allows us to integrate with Klaviyo and other apps quite easily. And that is basically it when it comes on to Smsbump. You can also tap on the settings feature from the left-hand menu option. And from here, you'll see the general settings. So for example, you can scroll down and you can see your current phone number and so on. If it is a case that you like to edit or change that, you can do that quite easily. And thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, if you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.